Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick video just to show you what took place this afternoon. Started trading again at 2100 and ended at 2228. So just a couple of hours. So just an hour and a half roughly. I had 4 trades here, 3 winners, 1 loser, and I had a 15 pip to 10 pip hard stop on all the positions. And I was using a 15 pip trailing stop on them when they moved in my direction. So I ended up with a net profit of 23.1 pips after the negative. Not bad for an hour and a half, and in a time of day that I normally am not looking at things. But I wanted to pay attention to some things and kind of test out the concept of trading when the market gives me a signal. And so I did get the scan on the first trade, and then started focusing on this pound yen pair to complete the process for the next 4 trades. So let's go to the charts and actually look at the different time frames. Okay, you can see here the 5-minute chart. I wanted to show the 5-minute chart first because this is when I first saw this pair give me a fresh signal. And I got a scan on this first one right here with the filter cross on the 5-minute. It was a 4-bar pattern. Didn't hesitate. But as I look back at the 1 minute, I was actually a minute late on the 4-bar pattern on the 1 minute. But that's okay. 5-minute was when I started looking at these, and from here on out they were managed on the 1 minute, which probably was the mistake I made in taking these base hit moves. I could have actually used the zone here to actually have stayed in most of these and had it be a trailing stop for all 4 positions and then closed them all up in here. So just the value behind that. I really want to stress the importance, if that's the only thing you get out of this video, is that we're looking for good zone patterns. Now if we even go to the 15 minutes, you're going to see some good zone patterns as well. See? Nothing but long trend right here. So I could have actually used that as a guide as well. Now I did use the 15 minute to make sure on these last 2 that I was in the right zone. It's this middle one here that I had not been paying attention and had stepped away from the computer for about 5 minutes to go take care of something that had come up. So if we go down to the 1 minute, you'll see that. So about a 5-minute period right in here. Had I known that or seen that, I might have closed it a little bit sooner and or been managing these differently based on that larger zone pattern to do, instead of these basic moves, to do the add-ons, and had made a lot more pips in that small period of time. Linearly, the pip count from top to bottom close, open to close, was 63 pips. So it very well could have been a very lucrative section in the market right in the middle of the day in the US session. So pretty excited about that. I hope this helps you. Hope this motivates you and gets you excited to want to trade with us more aggressively as a group here in the Scanner Forum. I really appreciate everybody's work and effort in the Scanner Forum. For those of you that might be struggling a little bit or feeling a little bit sheepish or worried about things or discouraged, please get with us. Let us talk with you and let's help you out. This is Jed, signing off.